Welcome to Ames. The Ames company headquarters is located in Camp Hill, Pennsylvania. Let's find out what's so cool about manufacturing at Ames. Ames uses an engineering development lab with advanced technology to design a large variety of outdoor tools and equipment.
What I found so cool about manufacturing is how many job opportunities there are. I never thought manufacturing had so many career paths.
The Ames company was first started in 1774, so they're very long history.
It's cool that people work around machinery every day.
There are always benefits of working with Ames.
Manufacturing the back, so I'm responsible for the quality here at the Camp Hill facility. I like making good products, so I stand behind it, and it's something I believe in, making good product that will last for the consumer and that will work for the customer for many years.
We feel very proud of our history.
Myself, I didn't expect to be here for 16 years, but once I got here, I just loved it. So you just never know what might come. What you think you want to do might not necessarily be what you do. You might find something else. So just never underestimate anything.
Ames has been one of the best career experiences I've ever been on. I had no idea what goes on behind the effort of manufacturing. I will say, manufacturing is one of the coolest career paths out there, and I totally suggest students should take a look at it.